Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to edit an event in Proton Calendar step by step. Updating an event lets you change the date, time, location, reminders, or other details whenever your schedule changes. So let's get started. First, open Proton Calendar on your computer, Android device, or iPhone, and sign in with your Proton account if you haven't already. Wait for your calendar to load, then navigate to the date containing the event you want to edit. Next, click or tap the event to open its details. You'll see information such as the event title, date, time, location, description, guests, and reminder settings. Now select the Edit button or the pencil icon, depending on the version of Proton Calendar you're using. You can update the event title, change the start or end time, modify the location, edit the description, adjust reminders, or switch the event to a different calendar if needed. If the event is part of a recurring series, Proton Calendar may ask whether you want to update only this event or all future events in the series. Choose the option that best matches the changes you want to make. After reviewing your updates, click or tap Save to apply the changes. Your edited event will automatically sync across all your devices where you're signed in with the same Proton account, ensuring your schedule stays up to date everywhere. Finally, reopen the event to confirm your changes were saved correctly, especially if you updated important details like the meeting time or reminder notifications. And that's it. You now know how to edit an event in Proton Calendar and keep your schedule accurate whenever your plans change. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.